Alright, here we go with packet tracer 3522, configuring a VTP domain. So we need to configure the VTP domain and then configure VLANs on a VTP server and observe the change on the VTP client. So VTPs are a good way to manage VLANs on our network. So as a network administrator, we've been asked to set up a working VTP environment at a remote site so we can maintain the VLANs from our main office. So first we want to configure the VTP server, which is here. Okay, so what we want to do is name it Discovery. VTP Domain Discovery. And then we want to set the VTP mode to server. Alright, and then we want to set the VTP password to Cisco 123 and exit back and do a copy run start. Alright, so now we want to click on VTP client 1, which is this one. Go into global configuration and set up our name. And VTP mode client, VTP password Cisco 123. So we wanted to do that a couple more times. So what we can do, because we want to do that to client 2 and client 3. So what we can do is just do it on our notepad here. You're less likely to make a error if you make sure you've got it right once. It'll be right each time. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and then exit, and then copy run start. So we want to do that to client 2 and client 3. And client 3, same thing. Just paste what we just did. And there you go. So now we want to go to VTP transparent here. And we want to name it the same thing. Actually, we could have just done this. Everything's the same except the client mode here. So we've already done the conf t, so we just need these lines right here. Go to the next step. VTP server. And we want to configure a new VLAN 10 and name it research. do a copy run start, go to the next one, VTP server, we're still here. Go back into, actually, we're on privileged exec, so we can do a show VTP status. And you can see operating mode is discovery. Operating mode is server, the domain is discovery. What else does it want us to verify? We can do a show password, VTP password. Shows our Cisco 123 is in there. We can show our VLAN, and you can see number 10 research is in there. So now we can go to VTP client 1, which is right here, and we can verify our settings like we just did. Status. So we'll do this for all of them. It's client, it's discovery. Cisco 123 is right. And it's got the research VLAN on there. So this one is a client on discovery. Cisco 123. The research VLAN is on there. Let's try the transparent one here. It's transparent. Domain is discovery. VTP password is right. The transparent one does not have the research VLAN on there. And let's check this one, show VTP status, client and discovery, Cisco 123, and it's got the research VLAN on there. So I guess we didn't, we skipped ahead and checked the transparent one. So we checked client 2, client 3. We've got the VLAN because the server had it, and it's gets the VLAN database from the VTP server because they're all correctly in the same domain. So now we're going to click on VTP client 2. And we're going to add fast Ethernet 0/1 to VLAN 10. So interface FA 0/1. And switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. We'll do a copy run start on that one. And now we want to go to client 3. We're trying to hook up our PCs here. And do interface FA 0/1 switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. So now Let's use the command prompt on PC1. Let's fast forward. Everything turns green. PC1 from PC0. So PC1's IP address is 200.10. And so there you go. It is all connected. Everything works through, so we can route it through. And that is 3522. Thank you very much for watching.